Anji, good afternoon, dear all. And dear students, and good afternoon all. So dear students, firstly we will discuss is the main. Our chapter name 10 continues the training and doping in sports and especially training and doping in sports related. So this chapter we will discuss is the last days, only warming up, limbering down, cool down and especially doping related, training and doping in sports our chapter uh, doping related. So today, last day we discussed is the especially training, sports and concept related. And today we will discuss is the prohibited substances and side effects. So especially side effects related. Main first side effect is the stimulants. Okay, so there are chemical which have direct effect our nervous and cardiovascular system. So these drugs improve work output ability by reducing the feeling of fatigue. So stimulants are group of those drugs and tend to increase alertness and physical activity. So it increases the heart rate and reduces the reaction time. So examples of these are caffeine in coffee, okay, yeah, amphetamines in cause syrups and extras. So they are used to increase endurance and speed. Okay. So next is the main effects. So effects later aggressiveness. This is the effect. Violent behavior. Okay. Irregular heartbeat extras. This is the stimulants. So next is the growth hormones. So growth hormone. This is the second point. So there are usually animal hormones, proteins used for increasing the muscles mass, height and size of body. So growth hormones are generally taken by the power lifter, bodybuilder and throwers of enhance. Haji Manjinder growth. Haji, good afternoon, beta. You say, how are you? I am fine, beta, and how are you? Any doubt better later, prohibited substances and side effects, please send message me. Okay. So today we will discuss growth and hormone. Second point is the prohibited substances and side effects. So there are usually animals hormones, proteins used for increasing the muscle mass, height and size of the body. So growth hormones are generally taken by the powerlifters, bodybuilders, and throwers to enhance of strength of the muscles growth. For example, throws, shot put, javelin, discus, and hammer throwers. Okay, this is the athletic lifter. So hormone is an agent that transport amino acids to the cell. So due to increase of amino acid in muscle cells, muscles grow up. Okay, so this is the growth and hormones. After this effects of this, first effect is the it applications bring about many harmful results. So it if growth hormone is used in a greater quantity, the persons runs with diabetes, unbalanced height and size, posture deformities, may raises, bones may be defected, etc. So this is the growth and hormones related. So next is the diuresis. These drugs eliminate fluid from the body Deodorants are used by sportsmen and women to decrease body weight. So these are generally used by wrestlers, judo and boxer players. These drugs increase urine secretions. It means especially sports person view अपना वेट बेटा तोड़ने के लिए ये मेडिसिन यूज करते हैं. इट मीन्स अपना स्किल ज्यादा डेवलप शो करने के लिए, especially for weightlifters, powerlifters. It means, for example, वो 60 kg वेट पे वर्क करना चाहते हैं, 60 kg वेट पे खेलना चाहते हैं, उनका वेट है 65, उनका वेट नहीं लॉस हो, तो वो ऐसा स्टेरॉइड्स यूज करते हैं. स्पेशली इससे हमारा यूरियर के थ्रू हमारी बॉडी से हमारी फैट रिड्यूस हो. So this is the disadvantage also. So main effects correlated. Taking diuretics, the athletes runs the risk of cerebral dehydration. So other side effects include potassium deficiency leading to muscle cramps. Okay, this is the third. So main important note is the use of diuretics in sports is forbidden. Non-medical use of diuretics can be very dangerous because of dehydration. One will not be able to perform at her best. So losing too much water may causes heart and kidney failures, which could lead to death. This is the third point. Next is the fourth point, beta block. So beta block is the main fourth prohibited substances and side effects related. These are anxiety reducing agents which are used in games that involve concentration, like shooting. Concentration, it means continuous still positions and shooting, like shooting, archery, say driving and motor racing accident. This is the beta block later. So they reduce the anxiety, lower the heart rate, reduce body temperature, reduce stress, relax muscles without loss of confidence. Okay, so these drugs commonly used for heart diseases to lower blood pressure and decrease the heart rate. So they may also be used in the treatment of migraines. Okay, this is the beta block. Main effect related effect cardio failure is they causes serious health problems in later ages. Next is the narcotics. So these are drugs which make people slow and sleepy. They are good painkillers. They help in long endurance activities. They are used during training period to remove the feeling of restlessness and dreadness. This is the narcotics. After this, side effect is these drugs have various side effects like slow responses, decline in activity, loss of concentration and vomiting, etc. So examples of these are morphine, heroines, cocaines, etc. They are found in cones and painkillers. Okay, this is the fifth. Sixth point is the steroids. So steroids also is the main side effect related. So these are very strong chemicals which are used by players during training periods. They promote growth and healing process. These are effective for speed, power and strength activities. They increase the heart rate, body temperature, respiration, body weight, muscle mass, blood circulation, and fast healing and revealing of tissue extra. So they advisedly affects the body, leading to heart attack, causes cancer, kidney or liver, male voice in female, decrease in sexual power, muscular body in females, hypertension, aggressive behavior, uncontrolled emotions and next. This is the steroids. So next is the side effects of prohibited substances. So first is the effect of beta blocks. So main is the beta blocks main effect is the asthma, depression, can causes heart failure, sleep disorders. This is all for effects of beta blocks. Next is the effects of stimulants. First is increased heart rate. Second is increased blood pressure. Third is dehydration and decreased circulation. Fourth is aggressiveness, anxiety, and tremors, which can lead to poor judgment. And fifth is placing individual to greater risk of injury. This is the effect of stimulants. Next is the effects of narcotics analysis. So first is the it may increase the pain. So main is it may increase the pain related. So main it may increase the pain. There should so that the athlete many fail to recognize it, thus leading to more serious injuries. Next is can causes physical and psychological dependence leading to many problems associated with addiction withdrawals. Next, third is the does related respiratory depression. This is the effects of narcotic analgesics. Next is the effects of diuretics. So a drop in blood pressure. Second is many causes dehydration, muscles weakness, and third is cardiac irregularities causes by electrolytic imbalance. So next is effect of anabolic agents. First is the miscongulations among female features like males. Second is the deeping of voice in female, and next is potential of kidney, liver dysfunctions, and next is increased aggressiveness, mood swing, depressions, and fifth is abnormal menstrual cycle, excessive higher growth of the body in females. Okay, next is reducing in the size of testes in male, decreasing sperm producers, premature aging, enlargement of protest gland. So next is these effects may be premental the prolonged used. So common side effects of prohibited substances. First is the infections related. So infections related many times the unhygienic method of doping causes infection through sharing of needle. So moreover the treat of AIDS and hepatitis B or C arise. Next is effects on digestive system. Most of these banned drugs causes digestive or gastro problems like loss of appetite, varied sugar level, digestive organs not functioning properly, hormonal variations, stomach pain, etc. Next is effects on respiratory problem. So many doping substances causes respiratory disorders or problems like asthma, extra. Next is feel shame. If any athlete is caught using these drugs, so it brings same for everyone athlete, coach, yeah, athlete is restricted to play further tournaments. Next is the effects of heart related. Doping has adverse effects over heart and causes many types of cardio problems, like high blood pressures, hypertension, cardiac arrest, and heart attack extra. This is the effects of heart for uses for this type of medicines. Okay, so next is the effects on delicate organs. So doping substances are strong chemicals, thus is advisedly affects kidney and liver. Yeah, it leads to non-functioning or partial damage or failures of these important organs. So many times it is also the causes of cancer in the body. Next is effects on psychological behavior. So these substances usually lead to unbalanced psychological behavior like aggressions, loss of concentration, dizziness, headache, loss of neuromuscular responses, yeah, anxiety, nervousness, and depressions, etc. This is the effects on psychological behavior. Next is the muscular body. So anabolic steroids causes strong muscles, thus affects the phenomenal look of female like muscular body of female. Yeah, loss of hair, male voice causes breed or mosaicism on face extra. So thus personality is affected. This is the muscular body region. Next point is the impatience. Impatience related doping causes impatience in males. For example, reducing of sperm productions in females. It causes infertility, irregular or abnormal menstrual cycling, breast cancers, etc. Next is the dehydration. Dehydration also is the main problem. Doping causes great loss of water from body, thus it leads to dehydration. Dehydration, rest, cramps, pain in muscles, heart stop, and high temperature, etc. This is the dehydration. Next is the, so dear students, I hope you are understand this topic for prohibited substances and side effects. So any student doubt for later this topic, please send message me. हाँ जी नवजोत सिंह बेटा, any doubt and how are you? Any student doubt for later this topic, especially prohibited substances and side effects. So today we will today discuss this topic briefly: stimulants, growth hormones, narcotics, and beta blocks, narcotics. Next is the steroids. So steroids also explained briefly. Next, side effects of prohibited substances, effects of beta block, effects of stimulants, effects of narcotics, effects of diuretics, effects of anabolic agents. So next is the common side effects of prohibited substances. It means infections related. It means when uses our few times steroids, so few side effects in our body, especially infections related also. So common side effects of prohibited substances, main infection, effects on digestive system. It means यंग एज के बीच में जब भी हम ये मेडिसिन यूज करते हैं अपनी परफॉर्मेंस ज़्यादा शो करने के लिए, जैसे जैसे हमारी एज डे बाई डे डिक्रीज होती चलती है, इट मीन्स हम सीनियर सिटीजन की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, तो उस वक्त हमें स्पेशली ये साइड इफेक्ट्स शो होता है, especially effects on digestive system. Next, effects on respiratory problems, feel shame, effects on heart, effects on delicate organs, effects on psychological behavior, muscular body, impatience, dehydration. Okay, so this is the main effect, common side effects of prohibited substances. So any other students doubt related to this topic, please send message. So tomorrow we will discuss is the dealing with alcohol and substance abuse. Okay, so normal cases in the our cities, yeah, villages, yeah, different places. So this is the tomorrow again read new topic for dealing with alcohol and substances abuses. And any student doubt related to the topic and last day topic, please send message. Okay, dear. No doubt. So thank you very much. Tomorrow again we will discuss the next topic. Thank you and have a nice day.